Hi students, developmental surfaces for section of pyramids, pentagonal pyramid, 25 mm side, 60 mm axis, stand on its base on HP. It is cut by a cutting plane passing through midpoint of the axis making 63 degrees to HP. Find the midpoint of the axis and draw the cutting plane. VT. Where on does it cut? Cut the base at 1 dash, O dash B dash at 2 dash, O dash C dash at 3 dash, O dash D dash at 4 dash, O dash E dash at 5 dash, and 1 dash again, base again at 6 dash, base again at 6 dash. So base at 2 points, 1 6, 1 dash 2 dash, 3 dash, 1 dash 6 dash, this is 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash and 5 dash. You have to draw the development. You need the full length of standard. I have found out what do I do? OE kutti, OA radius, arc variche A1 and A1 XY is projected A1 dash and O dash like connected full length of standard you choose O anywhere and complete the development. This is the development of the pyramid. You already know how to draw it. Connect AB, BC, CD, DE and EA by individual straight lines. A, B, C, D, E, A. I am drawing a pentagon here. B, A, E. This is true length. That is true length. Now, where is 1 and 6? Drop 1 dash 6 dash down. 1, 6. 1 is on the way from A to B, this far away. 1 is on the way from A to B, this far away. 1 is on the way from A to B, this far away. 6 is on the way from E to A, this far away. 6 is from the way E to A. 6. 6. 1, 6. Straight line, no good. What about 5? What about 2, 3, 4, 5? Go to true length. 5, 1 dash. 2, 1 dash. 4, 1 dash, 3, 1 dash. Take O dash, 2, 1 dash, mark on OB, 2, 3, 4, 5. Connect them. 1 to 2, 3 to 2, 4 to 3, 4 to 5. 5 to 6. Individual straight lines. Individual straight lines. O2 equals O dash 2 1 dash. O3 equals O dash 3 1 dash. O4 equals O dash 4 1 dash. O5 equals O dash 5 1 dash. From where? From true length of slanted. These are individual straight lines. Okay, this is the fourth possible cutting plane. In the fifth cutting plane, the cutting plane makes some angle to VP and passes through some distance away from the axis, 50 degrees to VP. So I draw a line at 50 degrees to XY line, 50 degrees. Draw 10 mm arc. That cutting plane is passing through 10 mm away from the vertical axis. Draw the cutting plane. Parallel to the line and tangential to the arc. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 is on the way from A to B, nearer to B. 1, 1. 4 is on the way from C to D. 4. 2 and 3, you cannot take it, mark it, to get it from the plan. Go to the elevation. 3. OC 3 dash 2 you have to draw arc and then go to the true length. 3 dash also go to the true length. So 3 1 dash 2 1 dash. Take O dash 2 1 dash and mark on OB. Take O dash 3 1 dash and mark on OC and connect 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. 1 to 4. There is only one 4 here because this CD of the lateral surface and CD of the base coincide. Therefore, there is only one CD and therefore only one 4. Alleged and 4 diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 4. This is the development of the total development of the pentagonal pyramid when it is cut by a cutting plane which is perpendicular to the base and inclined at an angle to VP, passing through 10 mm away from the vertical axis. So with this we complete the basic reference problems of section of solids, development of surfaces. We have drawn 4 prisms, 4 cylinders, 5 cones and 5 pyramids. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 4 plus 4, 18 reference problems we have learned. There is very high probability that you get any one of these 18 reference problems in your university examination. Agreed? There is high probability that you get any one of these reference problems for your university examination. For the remaining problems, we will try university questions. Various university questions belonging to KTU, QSAT, even NITs, Kerala University, MG, Calicut and so on. Okay? Thank you.